In a high-profile civil trial that captured public attention, rapper Cardi B has been found not liable in a lawsuit filed by a former security guard who alleged assault. The verdict, delivered by a Los Angeles jury after less than an hour of deliberation, marked a complete victory for the musician. The lawsuit, filed by security guard Emani Ellis, stemmed from a 2018 incident at a medical office where Ellis was employed. Ellis claimed that Cardi B, whose real name is Belcalis Marlenis Almanzar, physically attacked her, cutting her cheek with a 3-inch fingernail and spitting on her. Ellis was seeking $24 million in damages, citing physical and emotional distress, lost wages, and a permanent scar on her face. Throughout the trial, which was live-streamed and garnered significant online attention for Cardi B's candid and at times humorous testimony, the rapper vehemently denied the allegations. She acknowledged that a verbal altercation had occurred but insisted that no physical contact took place. Cardi B testified that at the time of the incident, she was 4 months pregnant with her first child and was fearful that Ellis was attempting to record her to make her pregnancy public. She stated, "I will say it on my deathbed, I did not touch that woman." The trial's outcome hinged on the jury's assessment of the evidence and testimony presented. Cardi B's defense team argued that Ellis's claims were unsubstantiated and that there was no physical proof of assault. They also highlighted an incident report filed by Ellis herself, which did not mention a bleeding injury. Witnesses, including a receptionist who intervened in the altercation, also provided testimony that supported Cardi B's account of the event as a verbal dispute. Following the verdict, both parties spoke to the press. A triumphant Cardi B thanked her legal team and fans, reiterating her innocence and issuing a warning to anyone who might consider a similar frivolous lawsuit. She declared, "I am not that celeb you gonna sue and you think is going to settle. Especially when I am completely innocent." In stark contrast, Emani Ellis expressed deep disappointment with the outcome. She stood by her original claims, stating that the incident had traumatized her and cost her a job she had hoped would lead to a career in law enforcement. In a statement to reporters, Ellis broke her silence on the verdict, saying the justice system is flawed. Her lawyer, Ron Rosenjanfeza, announced plans to file an appeal. The case, which captivated observers with its mix of celebrity, courtroom drama, and viral moments, has now concluded with a decisive legal win for Cardi B, though it leaves the accuser feeling that justice was not served.